Hey guys, and welcome back. Halloween is coming very soon, so I wanted to paint some rocks for you guys. And today I am using the acrylic paint markers like I used in my fall video. On my first rock here, I have 3 orange pumpkins stacked up like a snowman. I thought it would be really cute. Now, one thing I wanted to tell you about these acrylic paints is you do have to push down on the tip of it in order to get the paint out, but once you do that, you are perfectly fine to use them anytime you would like. If for some reason the paint gets stuck, you can go ahead and do that again and also shake it really well to get the paint out. Now I am done with my snowman. I added some eyes, nose, and buttons, some arms, and a stem, and put Happy Halloween. Now for my second rock, I wanted to make a candy corn with a cute little face. Now on to my third rock, I wanted to paint Frankenstein. So I painted all of his face green and I painted his hair black, and then I added a scary face to him. My next rock, I'm doing 3 pumpkins with a face, so that makes them jack-o'-lanterns. As you can see, when I'm using these acrylic paint markers, they go on so easily to these rocks. Even with my rougher rocks, they go on super smooth and they paint very, very well. If you guys are interested in these, I will have a link down below, so you can go order yours today and get started on painting these rocks. For the next rock, I am going to write boo on it, and the B is going to have a witch's hat. The O is going to be a pumpkin, and then the other O is going to be a purple O with a ghost inside. For this rock, I wanted to paint a graveyard along with Halloween written on top of it and a spider web. Now that they are all finished and the paint is dry, you're going to add Mod Podge to the top and seal them up. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys have an amazing Halloween. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you love painting, let me know down below what you would like me to paint next. Bye guys.